Justin Vacula here with the Hurdy Gurdy Travel Podcast, recording outside of the Sky Bar, going for an aerial view as you're able to see the view on the ground. Going to go upstairs and see what we can find. This is Amber Cove in Dominican Republic. Wildlife signs to the left, and ahead you can see various stairs. We're going to go up into the zipline area and also water slides. A cool path. This is all part of the main cruise port. No additional money to go in this direction and up. You could see it's a bit narrow, other people coming on the left, but I can go up on the right hand side. You could see many of the plants or trees on either side. I'm recording with my new Insta360 X4 camera to get many views. You can see a 360 experience throughout the video. Once we get to the top, there are going to be some really nice views of Amber Cove, Dominican Republic. Lots of trees on the left, and you could already see a view coming of Amber Cove. People continuing to walk down. Kind of funny when they look at me recording as if I'm doing something different, but other people also recording video and taking lots of photos of this very scenic area. Getting a little bit closer, you can see some flowers to the left. Some pink flowers, lots of different plants, foliage, and nature elements going through here. Up on the right, some more as well. Pretty sunny day, good weather, about 80 degrees, although it feels more like 90, perhaps because of humidity. More flowers coming up on the left, some orange ones this time, and the pink flowers are becoming more apparent coming up on the left. An interesting tree up ahead. Can look and get a higher view from this extendable recording stick, the invisible extendable stick. A high view here as I can extend out. Some grass to the left, and you could see the Carnival cruise ship, the Carnival Celebration, parked right next to the Nieuw-Statendam. It's interesting, I can't see my own ship, I can only see the Carnival ship. Coming up ahead, can see a path and more flat lands. A way to go up, only one, not to the left, but up. And it's going to be more of a flat area, taking aerial shots. To the left is the Sky Bar. You can buy alcoholic drinks, perhaps some food, and lots of tables. Coming into the center, you can see some yellow flowers. And here's the Sky Bar coming up to the left with a nice roof on it. Looking from below, it looked like it was a ziplining area, but it's not. It's just the roof of the Sky Bar. And some more of the trees, some more of the plants that you can see. An even higher view from the Sky Bar and a ramp to get up as well. But now you can see from the bottom a view of the fields. There are some solar panels in the far back. Going to get closer to those and zoom down. Really nice aerial view here in Amber Cove, Dominican Republic. The sun is shining off of the lens, but still getting a good picture. Mostly empty field, or a field that's being developed, and even some livestock down below. Can see up into the mountains, up into the skies. A little cloudy, but thankfully no rain, as a previous port stop was rained out at Turks and Caicos. Some more orange plants or flowers here ahead, and more the view of the mountains, the trees, and the clouds. So really nice aerial view in Amber Cove, Dominican Republic. Zooming over, you can see the ziplining area, people walking from the water slides as well. Families, there are some kids here, some adults. The cruise ship, mostly adults aboard the Nieuw-Statendam. I just love saying that. But now you can see more people walking toward the zip line, more toward the water slide area. Some kids, people looking back, surprised I'm recording, I don't know. Some more trees. When using the zip line, watch your braids, 2 passengers per. So they do have some advisories here, some restrictions, some rules. And another view of the field, of the mountains, extending up, getting some really nice aerial shots into the field, into the solar panels in the back. So looking forward to more of exploring this Amber Cove area in Dominican Republic. We'll be releasing more videos from my exploration in Amber Cove and other videos throughout the cruise. Upcoming is also Nassau, Bahamas. So looking forward to get on the ground there and get some more footage. Justin Vacula with the Hurdy Gurdy Travel Podcast, signing off.